Hi, this is Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps for claiming a MetaQuest product warranty. Let's dive in. On our website, you'll find 3 simple steps explaining how to successfully make a warranty claim. Following the instructions, we've provided the contact address for MetaQuest. Under the title Useful Links, you'll see 2 consecutive links. Clicking on the first link, www.meta.com, will take you to the support page of MetaQuest. There, you'll find various topics covered. To contact the customer support team, scroll down to find 3 headings: MetaQuest, Smart Glasses, and MetaPortal. Each heading corresponds to specific products. Click on the appropriate title based on the product you own to access customer support via live chat, email, or WhatsApp. If troubleshooting guides don't resolve the issue, they'll arrange for a replacement. Before we conclude, remember that if you ever encounter difficulties or have questions about the warranty process, you can always reach out to us through the Warranty Valet website. We've assisted numerous customers before, and we're here to assist you too. I'm here to support you anytime.